Hey everyone, it's Kenji. I'm here with a Ship Canal channel in Lake Washington, and I'm freezing my butt off trying to finish this, delicious hot mess of a sandwich from Stumbletown. So Stumbletown, this is going to be a short one. Stumbletown, it's a sandwich shop in Ballard. It opened, I don't know, like a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago now, maybe even earlier. I can't remember, but they do these simple sort of Italian-ish sandwiches. So really thinly sliced cold cuts. They've got like mortadella, they got prosciutto, they got coppa. This is the spicy coppa one. Nice quality cheeses. They get their bread there, these ciabatta rolls. They get them from Seawolf Bakery. And I think, just like a pizza, you can't have good pizza without good crust. A sandwich, I think a good sandwich is really defined by its bread. And I think that's where a lot of sort of sandwich shops in Seattle tend to not do so great, is that they tend to not have the best quality bread. Seattle's not really a great sandwich town in the sense that, like, I don't know, Philly, or San Francisco or New York are also kind of, I think, really great sandwich towns, mainly on the merit of their bread. But Seattle does have a few gems, and this is one of them. The excellent ciabatta rolls, really nice and soft with a nice crust to them, really great flavor. Seawolf always does great bread. I'm sorry, I'm slurring my words because it's really cold out today. And the sandwich selection is really simple sandwiches with really good quality ingredients. My favorite one is this one with a kind of like a sharp sheep's milk cheese, hot and mild pepper spread, arugula, thinly sliced coppa. They warm it up so the cheese just starts to melt, but the arugula is still fresh and crunchy. It's a really great sandwich. They also have a good selection of drinks there. So they've got like jarritos, the Mexican sodas, and they've also got arancata and limonada, Italian sodas with the sort of bitter citrus flavor to it, which I really enjoy. I don't know what else to say. They don't have an indoor, which I think they struggle to do business in the winter because it's really cold out. I've got one, two, three. I've got 5 layers on right now, and because I was biking mainly, but I was still cold. My hands are like little blocks of ice. While I was sitting there outside, they have this one little propane fireplace sitting on a picnic table out there that does absolutely nothing. It doesn't warm you at all. I was literally sticking my hand in the flame and I couldn't barely feel anything. But I was sitting out there and I saw someone walk up and talk to the guy making the sandwiches in the window there. And I heard them talking about propane, and so then I went and introduced myself. It turns out the woman talking about propane was Janet, who is the owner of Stumbletown, and she also, I found out, owns the chocolate shop across the street, Vitale Chocolate, which I've never been to, and a restaurant called Jolene a block away, which I've never been to. But she seemed very enthusiastic about the chocolate at the chocolate shop. She was telling me about a small Venezuelan chocolate grower who she just got this heirloom variety of chocolate from, and she was really excited about the hot chocolate it's going to make, and told me to come by for it sometime. Unfortunately, it wasn't open at the time that I was getting my sandwich, so I couldn't try it today, but I do want to go back there because I love a good chocolate, especially a good sipping chocolate. Anyhow, Stumbletown, it's in Ballard. It's not near a ton of stuff in Ballard. No, it's away from sort of the main restaurant strip in Ballard, so it is a little bit out there. But if you're in Ballard, or if you're anywhere in Seattle and you want to get a great sandwich, I would recommend going here. They do have reasonable prices. Like the sandwiches range from like $9 to $12, I think, which is pretty good pricing for Seattle. I know that's really expensive in some other cities, but Seattle in general has pretty expensive food. But you can't really go wrong with the quality here, and they're pretty consistent across the board. So yeah, Stumbletown. All right, guys, gals, non-binary pals, I'll see you next time. Bye.